Film development needs research, but research can easily overwhelm the story it is supposed to support. CineIntel Engine turns the challenge into a source-aware creative workflow. A writer enters the genre, tone, and premise. The public judge demo then runs deterministic research fixtures and a local Gemini-shaped synthesis fixture. Every source remains explicitly labeled, every recommendation carries an uncertainty critique, and the page never disguises a fixture as live web research. This is the repeatable evaluator experience now hosted publicly. Run the research flow and the interface returns two source cards, a grounded concept, a market evidence critique, and actionable scene beats. Hostile source content is escaped before rendering, and only normal HTTP and HTTPS links are allowed in the configured live path. The repository also implements the official parallel web client. In live mode, it sends an objective and focused search queries to parallel, preserves return titles, links, excerpts, and retrieval status, and refuses to fall back silently when a credential or network call fails. The evidence boundary is important. The current implementation targets Gemini 3.7 Flash through the official Google GenAI SDK, while a dated Gemini 2.5 Smoke proves only the historical authenticated SDK path. The official parallel search path completed an authenticated live run, returning 3 URL-bearing sources while the credential remained outside the repository. The public app stays in clearly marked demo mode for repeatability. 12 automated tests cover the research contract, endpoint normalization, input-dependent fixtures, failure handling, and safe rendering. The public MIT licensed repository and hosted application make the full evaluator flow available without setup. For a judge, the story is straightforward: run the hosted workflow, inspect the fixture labels, review the public integration code, and compare each claim with the evidence matrix. The product remains useful today as a deterministic research handoff, while the strict live mode is independently proven without exposing its credential. This focus also protects the creative role. The engine structures research and exposes uncertainty. It does not rank ideas as objectively good, claim market certainty, or allow retrieved text to become an invisible instruction. CineIntel Engine does not ask market signals to write a movie. It gives creative teams a cleaner research handoff, sources beside the recommendation, uncertainty beside the opportunity, and a visible boundary between retrieved evidence and generated treatment. CineIntel Engine, ground every screenplay with evidence you can inspect.